Tulad mo ng bata. Hi no, pila ka na ka-years diri ka work sa Damires?
4 years na.
Wow, 4 years! Anong imo nga favorite diri sa Damires?
Ang mag-uma, ang balay uma.
Ang balay?
Balay uma. Dito ang swimming mo.
Oh, balay uma. Lapit to ako nyo.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah! Lagaw, let's go explore. Pagwa nila karon, i-greet niyo sila ha. Good morning, happy reunion. Ready na? Pala niyo yung speech? Yes, very good. Para na sila. Ipos.
Showing of the big bill. Sorry, but we are 7 months on the way. Okay.
Perfect! So if you're planning to go swimming, make sure nga maka-shower ka na before mag-lumpat sa Wala nila, wala na ko na taas. Naglubo ang food.
My greatest memory was when we had a drama. It was a love story. We really had fun because our partners were being matched to us. It was fun. During summers, we would spend summers in each other's house. We had great memories since high school and college.
Wow, your auntie, what is your favorite tourist destination that you have been together, the four of you? Wow.
Sa kanan
Ano sa kanan? Miss Universe na kaya, check ka.
Sanang naging katuan.
Diba lang? Alright! I'll swim there. Get ready. Wait lang. Oh my gosh! Abay mo po! Grabe! Hindi, ayaw nung anuler. Ako na katuti. Bala ko na. Ayaw!
That's the benefit. That's the benefit.
Okay, let's all welcome! Can you introduce yourselves? Hey, Leia, sister.
And I am their Tita Glenna, all the way from the Evergreen State of Washington, USA.
Wow, USA! So ano yung imuya? Ay, dapat kila English. Rewind! Wow! So you came from USA just yesterday or?
Well, I've been here since last month, however.
Because when I went to the Hindu country of Myanmar, we saw thousands and thousands of Hindu temples, pagodas, and stupas. I mean, different kinds of Buddha statues inside. Some with gold, some with flowers, some red flowers. And it's so funny because there was even a Buddha that was tan because he was hot. So the monks had to put in the rope so that the family there would ban the Buddha.
Wow, you understand that? I won't interpret it. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's funny.
And here we are in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And it's more fun here.
In the Philippines! What is your favorite spot here in the Philippines or specifically in Panay area?
Of course, I love Iloilo.
Me too!
Of
Love!
no wonder they still haven't found their loves yet.
I swim, bye-bye!
But anyway, it's really more funnier in the Philippines.
Ala, can I survive?
Hey, guys! Nice to meet you.
Ikaw ya, ano yung mga memorable moments ng high school?
High school. Ano nang
Ano to siya, di ka man tanan-tanan na? Ano?
makaon sa barbecue kumus-kumus.
Sa punta.
Drinks.
Ayo, actually, siya ang nagtudlo sa ako nga magkumus-kumus kay isang una, wala gid kami nagka-count street food. Pero I believe daw mo na nga akong first memory nga nagka street food. Kay ako namit ang barbecue. Wow, doon lain-lain gid. Ini aside from namit kay barato lang gid siya. It's so affordable and the punta, barbecue at the punta, is still available even until now. Kaga kumus-kumus, that's how we eat lunch sa UP. And dani sa dason, soft drinks nga tunga, Mountain Dew. Na tunga, Mountain Dew, that's 5 pesos. Tapos ang 5 pesos ko, isa ako naka-oras. Kaya hindi man ko pwede kainom sa soft drinks. So, pwede daw,
Daya. Oo, 5 pesos. Napunta nila ice. Ice. Nanda mo, ito nga lang kamo eh. Oh, tapos ang mga soft drinks pila, 18 pesos. It's so mahal.
Ito bang size na?
Oo.
Ito naman.
Malay 20. Dason makabalik kami sa UP kay Dulong Takamo. Pakita ko sa inyo ang ginatawag ng kumus-kumus. Yo!
Against the light, manta kita nila ito tsura.
Alright! Libot! Para makakas ang chlorine sa inyong body before changing your clothes. Sige! Let's wash! Kaya nagutom na po so we can have our breakfast. Yeah! Time check! Ay, wala pala orasan. Nag-check ko sa kanila. It's 9:30. Pagkatula akong magulang. Uy! May kasturya siya! Who's that? Let's see! Who's that? Uy! Amo na siya gurong ginatawag lang si Papa P of Damires.
Aldo Island. Standard, it's gonna look like it's...
Hi! Good morning! Hi, Papa P!
Hello!
Hello! Kita niyo na, sila yung kasi nyo, Papa P, yung nasa magulang ko dapat. Introduce myself!
Hello guys, this is Paula Tirador, the owner of Damires Hills, Tierra, Verde. So we're very swerte nga kada Sunday morning during breakfast, ari ko kaya.
Or basi everyday, ari ka gindi sa inyo?
Almost every day. I have one day off sa isang week, so almost every day,
Almost, batian nyo itong gusto makita si Papa P of Damires, almost everyday, ari. Papa P! Ano yung pa? Sige, Paulo! Paulo, how did Damires start then?
They always ask me that question. It started about 10 years ago. It used to be a rest house ng family namin. Tapos my dad turned it into a resort. So little by little man, it started with the payag. We already had a swimming pool by then nagdugang kami swimming pool, dugang kami zipline. So things worked out. Eventually it became a resort na kids na tutuot na gawa.
Ang payag dito lang original nga swimming pool, hindi kayo di ba iniyabag o ginagawa?
Ayan, this area is new. Ang amon sa unang rest house. Ang mera kita dira duwa ka bilog balang 2 floors which is now called Papaya and Calamansi.
Yung una-una.
Yeah, those were the original ones.
Sa Balay Chico, kami kagabi. Tapos daw ko na namiagi ko to sa pader. Bala nga daw, ano na ko na, kawayan.
Tad-tad ni Kawayan, bali kinabrihan. Kawayan na siya, tapos kinabrihan na siya. Tad-tad siya, tapos
Kanami kay arag yang kumbaga ang Filipino touch.
As much as possible. Preserve man ang aton nga, ma-feel tangan ko lang ato. Ay, ang muning ka namin ang aton nga countryside.
Hindi lang yung beaches ang arak di sa aton sa Philippines, specifically sa Iloilo kay ari na subong ang Damires Hills. Ano pa ginang pwede na mo na-enjoy di aside from inyong mga bahay kubo kasi niya enjoy?
We have different amenities also. Of course, for those who like overnight kamo, di ba? So available and complimentary to use the access to our swimming pools. Okay, and then we also have different adventures that you can do. Of course, optional na siya. Not for those who have fear of heights, pero we have the zip line, we have our canopy walk, we have ATVs, and then of course you can bring a book, enjoy, relax lang. Yeah, you can eat, you can go around, take a walk, and of course, as you notice now, dami kita mga birds. A lot of mga bird watching enthusiasts. They come here. They're also impressed with the kinds of birds we have. We have different kinds of birds. So mga fantails, mga kingfishers, kitadere, of course the usual maya, and may mga bigger ones. Hindi ko na madunduban ng mga names. Sometimes you will also spot salamanders. So we have the orange colored salamanders, red, orange, green, and and then darker colored salamanders. Sometimes when you're crossing the bridge, you see them. Ang tawag nila ng halo-halo.
Nagtaot ako may bilit pang pagkaon, kaya doon nagutom pa ko. See?
RTC Nikon sa aquaponics ng Damires. Siya ginang in charge. Ano na siya wag kakaon? Hindi siya pag-disturb.
Ay, joke. Ay, sorry.
Hello!
Dali na kami kay Manu, kay Papa P. Kay Papa P. Hindi na nakabaliya, ikaw ko nang in-charge sa aquaponics.
Yes, aquaponics.
Hambaliwi nga to ng mga viewers, hindi ko ano na siyang aquaponics.
Hello! Ang aquaponics, bago na siya kasi nga daw modern or urban na farming style. So it combines two farming methods, aquaculture and hydroponics. Hence the name aquaponics. So it uses the output of aquaculture, in our case, waste ng tilapia, and then uses it as an input for hydroponics. So magiging nutrients na siya for the plants. And then the plants filter out the water, kagang tubig, ginabalik sa tilapia. So, damo man siya benepisyo. We're able to save lots of water, we're able to save lots of labor, lots of time. So, namin man siya. Tapos, very technical kag scientific siya kasi ng farming style.
Kagang namian ko gito is ang savings gid yan, no? Kay kang last week, naghalin kami sa seminar for financial literacy. Iniya, even our environment, pwede natin ma-save through this new technology. Yung ginatawag nga, aquaponics. If you want to learn more, pangitaon niyo siya, Miko, Tirador, or bisita ka mo diri sa Damires Hills. Yeah, thank you!
Sige, thank you.
Kaon na liwat.
Chill lang ako din.
Eh, mangitama ko di pagkaon. Gid no sa inyo nga pag-put up sinisang Damires Hills. Nag-enjoy gid kanday ante kag iya nga mga high school friends sa inyo dire kag siyempre kami man nag-enjoy man kami sa inyo nga swimming pool, infinity pool. Thank you very much and hopefully makabalik kami di kag kamo magbisita man kamo dire sa Damires Hills kag pangitaon niyo si Papa P of Damires. Thank you very much everyone.